In this episode, in this video, we're gonna be building our downpipe. Should be pretty straightforward. Piece it together in the chassis. So we cut up our pies, we put them together, we make ourselves a downpipe. Check it out. We have got the remaining section of the NVIDIA downpipe in. And you can see that maybe kind of sort of down there. So we did tack up the main portion of the start to the downpipe coming off the turbo. So got some pretty good progress on this. Now I just have to connect this to that. That. I did not film, as you can see, I didn't film the whole process of cutting and tacking and everything because I feel like that takes up a lot of time on the video and I don't know if it's that entertaining for you guys. Leave in the comments, let me know if that's something you want me to start including again, or if you just want to see before or after kind of situation, or maybe a little bit of the fab part in between and stuff like that. So, you know, I don't know if you don't tell me, but I will go ahead and record this last piece getting tacked in, just because I think it'll be cool to record this last piece getting tacked in. So, let's do it. That is our downpipe. Boom. Eat it. I don't know. Thanks for watching, everybody. I am enjoying the crap out of this project. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me for this, and really hope you're enjoying this this project. Again, comments, throw them down, let me know. If you see me doing stuff wrong too, let me know. This particular segment here, real time, took quite a while with all the pies building up for the downpipe. That was a lot of welds to do. Again, be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little ding-a-ling-ling, that bell thinger, and then you get notifications when I post videos, so you don't gotta wait. You don't gotta search for them. It's right, boom. Brat Monster is about to fucking brighten your day. Probably shouldn't swear so much too, but anyway, that's all we got. See you in the next one. Deuces.